Imagine a world where ChatGPT isn't just a text-based chatbot, but a dynamic, multimodal genius, where ChatGPT can speak with you and your family about the latest celebrity gossip going on in the world, where ChatGPT powers the watch or glasses you wear. Yes, today we are going to explore how ChatGPT-5 will revolutionize how we interact with artificial intelligence. This is a glimpse into a world where the boundaries between human and machines blur.
There's a rumor you've been going around miscalibrating the machines.
Let's dive in. Multiple modalities. In response to Google's upcoming multimodal language model, Gemini, the latest modification that OpenAI is currently working on will revolutionize ChatGPT, currently confined to text and basic image understanding. This new upcoming language model will be called ChatGPT-5 and will be able to process various types of data, including text, images, audio, and videos. While we all know DALL-E has coexisted with ChatGPT in the past, OpenAI is now planning to integrate the latest DALL-E 3 version with ChatGPT. Some have already seen it in action. The beta versions of the ChatGPT can process images already, and this is just the beginning.
I'm excited to see what you present in the showcase.
But the question is, how are these revolutions going to bring changes to our world? Imagine you are a fashion content creator who needs inspiration for writing new Instagram posts for your Instagram page. You have an image, but you are struggling to write a caption for it. With ChatGPT-5, you will be able to provide past 5 Instagram posts with images and captions and ask ChatGPT to provide you with a similar Instagram caption based on a new photo. ChatGPT-5 will then evaluate your image and your past Instagram posts to come up with an amazing caption for potential new posts to capture your audience's attention. With the new image and video inputs, your content game will drastically change for the better. Similarly,
that's amazing. What is it?
AI can bring revolution to every industry: health, business, beauty, and even education. Do check out our take on how the current version of ChatGPT is affecting students and teachers, link in the description below. But OpenAI is not stopping the limit of ChatGPT-5 to seeing and hearing. Now it wants its model to speak. Yes, you heard it. ChatGPT-5 wants to be a vocal conversationalist. ChatGPT will see, hear, and speak now. Picture this for a moment. You are having a one-to-one conversation with ChatGPT about the most popular traveling places in the US. It would be just like talking to a person who answers you, and you can do the cross-questioning. This means that there will be no difference between talking to an expert human and chatting with GPT-5. Enabling ChatGPT to see, hear, and speak will make it almost similar to voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. Then what will be the difference between Alexa and the new ChatGPT-5?
What's the difference between you and me?
These voice assistants are often used by common people to set alarms and reminders or deliver some information from the internet. However, the latest version of ChatGPT-5 will help users summarize documents, write computer codes, and a lot more with just voice commands, ultimately bringing a new place to business and boosting success. Not very clear about how it will work. Imagine this. It's a busy night for you and you are trying to meet a tight deadline, but kids need to be tucked in with a bedtime story. Tough choice, with the boss breathing down your neck. Well, with ChatGPT-5, you will be able to give a voice command, play a bedtime story which kids at the age of 7 love, that talks about a princess and an elephant, and within seconds, the language model will generate a unique story and will read it out loud.
Problem solved.
Kids go to sleep and you get to work. OpenAI's text-to-speech model already powers ChatGPT's voice capabilities, and the company is currently collaborating with multiple professional voice actors to create 5 different voices for its chatbot. But is this all beneficial? Because last time we all checked, ChatGPT's factual information is limited to September 2021. ChatGPT will provide you with current and authoritative information. Well, buckle up, because that won't be a problem in ChatGPT-5.
Because you look confused about it.
I am.
ChatGPT will soon provide you with real-time data utilizing its web surfing capabilities, providing you with current and authoritative information. Want to search about who is dating Taylor Swift today? With ChatGPT-5, it will fetch the current answer for you within seconds. It may or may not be Travis Kelce, depending on when you watch this video. The most remarkable aspect of this new feature is that not only will you be able to search in ChatGPT, but you will also be able to click on the relevant web pages that answer your query.
Well, how exciting.
Let's face it, who really enjoys reading these days? Almost no one. So say goodbye to those lengthy Google search scrolls. ChatGPT-5 will have you covered. With all these improvements, our hope is that we get accurate results from our interaction with this new ChatGPT, which means we want ChatGPT to not hallucinate. So how is this new model going to get our prayers answered? Let's find out. Reduced hallucinations. Humans are not the only creatures having hallucinations of seeing things that don't exist. In fact, AI can sometimes blow your mind with creating information that doesn't exist or is far from reality. With ChatGPT-5, a potential way OpenAI will solve the hallucinations problem is by splitting ChatGPT into two sections. The two sections will be creative and logical. The creative section would generate responses that answer your query perfectly, regardless of whether the information is accurate or not, while the logical section would answer your query if it has the information, potentially acting like a fact checker. So if ChatGPT has zero knowledge of what you have asked, you'll get a message of "I don't have enough information on this." Let's say you want to know the latest update on quantum computing. In the creative section, ChatGPT would find the relatable information and generate a response based on that, which will sound amazing and seem correct to you, but it won't be. In the logical section, ChatGPT would respond by saying what information it currently has, which will be the most accurate and reliable information. Splitting into sections may be one way where ChatGPT-5 may enhance the reliability of AI systems with minimalized hallucination, reducing the risk of misinformation. AI-driven diagnostic tools and medical systems would also benefit from more accurate information with the new ChatGPT-5. ChatGPT-5 is not going to stop there. ChatGPT-powered wearable devices. Do you love listening to music? Imagine having AI-enhanced headsets that recognize your mood and play the music accordingly. After all, who wants to find the right music that hits, especially when you are low? Recently, the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, has tapped the Ives company to develop the first consumer device integrated with OpenAI. There's a plan to generate an iPhone of artificial intelligence, and SoftBank is contracted to spend $1 billion on this project that is still in the early stages. Still, many designs have already been brainstormed to create a more natural and intuitive user experience for interacting with AI. But you know, there's more to it. There are already smart glasses with AI launched by Meta partnering with Ray-Ban that can take calls, live stream on your face, play music, and take memorable pictures and record your videos to store at a safe place for you to glimpse on your memories later in life. If this receives mass consumer adoption, we may soon have ChatGPT-powered AI glasses too. Disney has already shown us Jarvis, Iron Man's AI assistant in the movies, and now OpenAI with its ChatGPT-5 will make this a reality. What an exciting time to be alive. ChatGPT working in the AR world. Speaking of AR, as the boundaries of technology expand, ChatGPT's integration into the augmented reality world holds immense potential, and it's only a matter of time until ChatGPT will appear in AR realms. This collaboration between AI-driven text generation and AR opens up exciting possibilities across various domains. One such example is in the realm of 3D modeling, where ChatGPT can directly interact with AR environments. So let's try to understand it deeply with this scenario where Adam is an architect who is working on a building project. Now, he is standing on the construction site wearing AR glasses packaged with the latest AI technology. He needs to design a unique facade, but cannot think of multiple ideas. But with the game-changing collaboration of ChatGPT-5 and AR, Adam won't need to worry. He'll utilize ChatGPT-5 to get countless bright design ideas in front of his eyes, only by giving a voice command. 10 amazing facade ideas. This fusion of ChatGPT's text generation capabilities with AR's immersive environment revolutionizes how architects, designers, and engineers collaborate and innovate. It streamlines the design process, fosters creativity, and accelerates decision-making, all within the augmented reality landscape. All of this leads us to one thing. Ultron. Wait, hold on. Terminator? That can't be right. Yes, here we go. OpenAI's GPT-5 powered robots. With ChatGPT being able to see, hear, speak, process multimedia, and eventually be integrated in AR and wearable devices, it can only mean one thing for the future, and this is GPT-5 powered robots. These robots will be built on top of ChatGPT-5 and have natural language capabilities that allow them to automate tasks, enhance the customer experience, and give unique services and personalizations to the users. Who doesn't love to have vacations? But what if on your arrival at the hotel where you're staying, you're greeted by a GPT-5 powered robot? It will communicate with you for a moment and then sets up everything for you. and you get your preferred room with the perfect temperature, your desired food, and a fully planned spa day with everything you love.
It was just the best thing ever.
It's scary to think that we're closer than ever to having the perfect robots taking our places. Human advancements are always incremental, and we're heading closer to where many of us won't be needed to perform basic jobs. The movies have always remained ahead on the curve of technical advancements, and for once, we are catching up fast. It's crazy to think that Terminator was only released almost 30 years ago, and with ChatGPT-5 powered robots, we may have realized our dream with robots taking over the world. One can only hope OpenAI is not Skynet, and we're not walking ourselves to disaster. While we do love to innovate, we need to be careful in not taking technological advancements beyond our control. To end on a positive note, with ChatGPT-5 on the horizon, our lives are going to change drastically. Imagine AI systems that can understand us better than ever before, aiding in research, healthcare, education, and communication. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we're not merely building language models like the new GPT-5, but defining the future of intelligence itself. Eager to explore this incredible journey with you, we are a new channel. To keep the AI fire burning, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on these upcoming ChatGPT-5 innovations in the comments below.